Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how to simply remove long hairs, short hairs and dust from your floor carpet. So for that I will be simply using one plastic brush. As you can see here, this plastic brush just works like as a magnet to pick up the dust and hair strands from the mats. Also I'm going to need a dustpan. So now let's go ahead and start our cleaning. You can see that there are lots of dust and hairs I have collected already in a dustpan, and so let's continue with the process. So here you can see that there are lots of hair strands that are getting stuck in the brush just like a magnet, and this process is so easy and it is dust free. So here I have collected so many dust like biscuit papers and other snacks, and also so many dust whatever is lying down. I have cleaned up so easily, so yeah. So friends, here I'm done, and this is the after cleaning look, and you can also see the before cleaning look shots. It's really amazing to do this dust. So now it's completely looking dust free and there are no hairs, of course. Hope you found the video informative. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.